friends, thanks for joining me for Wednesday Embellies. This is an open collaboration and it is hosted by Linnea of Fashionably 50-something and Beyond. Well, I have had these wood pieces in my stash for 2 or 3 years now, probably 3. I think I got a box of these on clearance probably at Tuesday morning. My Tuesday morning is now closed, but I picked these up somewhere on clearance. I'm pretty sure it was there. Anyway, that doesn't really matter. Point is, I'm using them. I'm using my stash. I'm going to get these sorts of things prepped so that I can just grab them and use them in a journal or on a card or ATC or whatever. So I'm going to turn these into usable embellishments. And the first thing I'm going to do is color them in with my markers. And you can see here on the floral ones, there's some leaves. So I'm going to just color the leaf part in with green. And then the floral ones, I'm going to go ahead and color in with different colors. Just so you know, I'm not using anything fancy. I have grabbed some permanent marker, and that's what I'm using. I have most of these colored. I am going to finish coloring the rest of them, but I thought I would go ahead and add some stickles. They need something besides the marker on them, and this will give them a little shimmer and shine. So I'm going to add some stickles to some of these, set them aside, and then while they're drying, I'll go ahead and color the rest of them in. And then I'll see if I want to embellish them a little bit more. You know how when you use stickles, it kind of sticks up, like you can feel it if you put your finger across it. There's like a little bump there. I was going to leave it like that, but I decided I wanted to flatten it out, so I used my paintbrush to do that. I can always go back in with another layer if I want to. Now you can see I am working on coloring in this orange slice, and once I'm done coloring it in, I'm going to add some stickles to this as well. When I'm finished spreading the stickles around on this one, I'm going to go ahead and color in the genie bottles. I'm excited about these genie bottles. I think they're pretty cool. Not sure where I'm going to use them, but I think they are pretty cool. I've decided to color them in with blue, and then I'm definitely going to be adding some stickles to these as well. I have grabbed my box of flat back pearls, so I'm going to use those to further embellish these little wood pieces. I'm going to be adhering them with the gem tack. Now I'm going to use the eraser on this pencil to press the pearl into it, which picks it up and puts it where I need it. I do dab the eraser into some water and gently dry it off first. Friends, I love how these turned out, and I'm so happy that I took something that's been laying around in my studio for years, and I finally have done something with them so that I can use them in some upcoming projects. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.